All right, I'm back, guys. It's only been all morning, but I resoldered that them joints to the PDB with the power with the battery cable board. I mean, and here's what we got. Let me get a little light on it. Here's what we got. Got it nice and shiny. I'm happy with it. Even got it through the stress holes there. To release stress from your PDB. Look at that. Maybe I shouldn't use so much solder, but hey, I'm pleased with it. As I was doing it, I found out that it's about where or how you use this tip of your soldering iron. I was using the very tip of it, and I found that if I lean it to the side a little bit, let the joint heat up along the shaft here, instantly it liquefies. So I took advantage of that. And how much you have your soldering station turned up. Mine's set at 420. Kind of like that number. It reminds me of my younger days. And it works pretty good. It melts instantly. So I want to appreciate you guys for watching me rock out the channel. I want to appreciate you guys subscribing. Thumbs up the video. Share it. It helps the algorithm. If you like these kind of videos, these kind of builds that I do, leave something in the comment or something. Or don't comment at all, because I'm going to keep building. I'm going to keep posting these videos. This is nerd stuff. Quad Squad, FPV, Thumb Pilots. Glad y'all tuned in. Don't do drugs.